Suppliers want their customers to take advantage of their designs as much as possible. However, there's a lot of detail in their products that they don't necessarily want to share for proprietary reasons, but also more importantly because most customers don't really need that level of detail. All they're concerned about is being able to take their design and fit it in and make sure it's going to connect up and work correctly. To help out in this front, we've added a great new tool in SolidWorks 2011 called Defeature. It's a wizard-like interface that helps us very easily go through and automatically clean up the models, whether it's based on just removing a subset of items smaller than a certain percentage, selecting specific components, or just telling it to remove everything that's internal to the model. With a couple of clicks, you can very quickly and efficiently clean up the design. And what's more important with Defeature is you actually have the ability to include the design intent. And we can do this by supporting the motion of the system. And for example, this is a gearbox. So we can come in and create groups of components, and the mates between these groups will be preserved. And that's a very powerful tool to ensure you've got, like I said, not only the appearance and features, but also the function of the design. Now we can also preserve particular features such as those associated with the mates, or for example, because this is going to be mounted, we want to preserve these mounting holes, and maybe we want to preserve this internal cutout as well, just to make it a bit easier to see the shaft. SolidWorks Defeature then goes through, cleans up the models, fills in any interior volumes, as well as ensures that those features that we've selected are preserved. Once it's completed that task, we get a side-by-side comparison to look inside the models, so we can easily see what features have been removed and cleaned up. If we do a section cut through the model, that also will just reinforce how it's filled in all that internal detail and that other geometry has been removed automatically. When we're ready, we can either just save the settings we've set up now to defeature the model, and what we're doing is we're creating a separate file, so we can save just directly to that separate file, or if we're happy with our output, we can directly upload it to 3D Content Central. And because it's completely parametric, we can always come back and change things at a later date. So let's take a look at the simplified design. So here's our system, and you can see we have our components, and there our mates are preserved. So if we spin the shaft, the other shaft moves proportionally based on the gear ratio, which is about 50 or 60 to 1. So like we said, we've got the appearance, we've got the features we need to be able to put it into our system, as well as the function in terms of the operation, which is incredibly powerful and something that's unique to SolidWorks. Now, as I mentioned, it's a parametric feature, so if you come back in here at any stage, you can easily go and modify any of the settings you want to update those accordingly. So Defeature's a great little tool for helping suppliers clean up their data quickly and efficiently to share with customers with very little overhead. Now, if someone's looking at some of the information here, for example, like this shaft, you'll see that it's got quite a bit of complex detail with the screw thread. Again, SolidWorks is a very powerful tool to help us clean up geometry. I can select all those faces and very quickly remove them. I can come in here and clean up that geometry very easily using the delete face tool. All I do is select these faces, and just like that we have cleaned up geometry. So again, it's very easy to come in and not only simplify a complex system, but also clean it up if you need to on a one-on-one basis.